We guide you through how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems on both iPhone and Android. First, check your microphone permissions by going to your phone settings, opening WhatsApp, and making sure microphone access is enabled. Next, test your microphone using another app to confirm it's not a hardware issue. If voice messages are not sending, check your internet connection and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. On Android, also disabled battery optimization for WhatsApp to prevent background restrictions. And for iPhone, make sure low power mode is turned off and background app refresh is enabled. If voice messages sound distorted or cut out, clean your microphone and remove any phone case blocking it. And finally, update your WhatsApp to the latest version or restart your phone to clear temporary bugs.